Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are doing something different with Silver Dollar City. We're actually checking into their campground and we're getting ready to set up our campsite. So
come with us.
Okay, to start things off pretty quick, this is where the tent is going to sit right here. A little fire pit over here, and then a picnic table right there. Car is all loaded up right there, and there's even like a little outlet right there for us to charge phones and media and stuff like that. So anyway, we're gonna set this tent up real quick and the rest of the campsite, and we will see you as soon as we get that done. Okay, and that's basically it. So we will kind of give you updates throughout the night. Probably not while we're sleeping, but we'll give you some updates throughout the night on how it is, on how it goes. It is only 5:45 in the evening right now, so I know we've got some stuff still in our car, but basically our tent is set up, and that's the most important thing. We'll have to go back up to the clubhouse later, which we will show you probably tomorrow. Honestly, the clubhouse up front, they do offer shuttle services from here to the parks that we might use
Throughout the day.
And it is throughout the day. They have like 3 times that they take you to it and 2 times they pick you up and bring you back.
I'm just not sure about that because I don't want to be locked in. So
yeah, so we don't know if we're going to take it or not. We'll kind of decide and see what the group. My sister and her fiance are coming, and you guys know Megan, you've seen her before, she's coming. So yeah, anyway, we're going to kind of chill out, get us something to probably drink, some water, and yeah, and get ready to just completely settle in. So we will see you probably when we start cooking some hot dogs over to fire.
yeah, because it's camping.
It's camping. Okay, see you guys then. Okay, so we've got our fire going, and gonna start cooking some hot dogs and marshmallows and some bratwurst here in a little bit. So should be a good time. So fire should be going real soon. So anyway, and Megan has arrived. So there's Megan and there's Ashley. They're hanging out. So we moved the picnic table over so we can put the fire there. So yeah, should be a good time. All right, so it's super late now. We got the light on in the tent. It is 45 minutes till it's quiet time. So far so good at the campground, right, Ash? That's Ash right there with the red and the blue on the side of her head. She's got some glow sticks stuck in her hat. And there's Megan laughing at her. I got some glow stick stuff too. So, but yeah, this Campground's actually pretty nice. It's quiet. We're in the very, very back. Like literally there's no campsites that direction. I know it's just a black screen, but there's a bunch of campsites going that direction towards the fire. So yeah, I mean, how much was it to stay here?
So for the weekend, it was like $70 to $80.
So it was $70 to $80 for 2 nights
One campsite.
stay for one campsite,
And we have
which,
electric. We're not
and we have electric. I mean, well, yeah, you guys, they knew we had electric because it's right down there. We showed them that.
the primitive ones are cheapest.
Yeah, this is primitive, right? Oh, this is not primitive.
Because we have electric.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Yep. There are some primitive ones that don't have electric, which are cheaper. So, anyway, we will see you guys in the morning. We won't close this out right now, but we will see you guys in the morning and let you know how our night went. So, yeah, if anything happens throughout the night, we'll get on here and let you know. I don't think anything will because our neighbors seem pretty cool. We have one neighbor. He's a dude over there. And then my sister is going to be our neighbor right there. So, yeah.
All right, guys. So it is the next day, which was the tomorrow. And it was really quiet. It was peaceful out here. Lights out, or quiet hours is at, I believe, was it 10 p.m.? And so we had a good night. It was quiet. You can hear a little bit of road noise from like the highway, but it's not obnoxious or really loud. Yeah, I thought it was an airplane actually, because it kind of sounded kind of weird. But other than that, it's, you know, you're out in the woods. You can kind of see there is a electric line running across here, like a major one. But other than that, like, we're in the very back. There's a little cul-de-sac here, so it's not too bad. What do you think, Brady?
I think it's all right.
All right. All right, so next we're going to show you the clubhouse, the pool. We can like go by the shower house and the bathrooms. The bathrooms were actually really surprisingly clean.
Actually, yeah, we're not going to show you the shower house and the bathroom because they're actually like pretty good. I took a shower in them this morning and I was super impressed by it. They're not going to be like immaculate, but
for camping,
I mean, but for
it's
camping,
not
there's some of
bad.
the best shower houses that I've been in, honestly. Not gonna lie.
There was no dead bugs.
No, actually, there wasn't any dead bugs. There wasn't any. It wasn't dirty in there. I didn't feel unclean. Trying to, like, you know, what's the point of this sort of deal? So, I mean, totally worth using the shower house here. But like she said, we're gonna roll up here. Maddie's got to finish checking in and stuff.
Because if you can check in the next day if you get here late.
Yeah, if you get here after the things close or the clubhouse is closed, you can check in the day after. So we're gonna roll up there. We're gonna show you guys the clubhouse and the pool, and that's probably gonna finish us off right there. Because we're gonna go to the parks today,
And we're just gonna
and
have a
we're not
good-
taking you guys
yeah.
long because we haven't done that in a very long time. So we just want to go and do that.
Enjoy our time with our family and friends.
Yeah, so we will see you guys when we get up to the clubhouse. Okay, so we have made it up here to the clubhouse. As you can see, it is right off the highway. If you see that sign right there, the city campground, cabins, and RV. This is where you go to check in and pay. It is a little store on the inside of there. I can tell you, do not get eggs from in there. They are overpriced, like most campsites are. And then one other thing that they offer is a nice little pool right over here, which isn't too bad. Looks like there's going to be a little squirrel right over there trying to take a dip, but we'll
There's
see.
also several playgrounds for kids to like go and chill out at.
There is one like right over there at the end of this pool area, and then there is one that is right next to our campsite as well, which isn't too bad of a walk away from it. So
Also, I would note that the cabins actually look really cute.
the cabins look exactly like the cabins that are at Silver Dollar City.
Yeah.
Like they're the same kind of theming. So anyway, yeah, so this is the clubhouse area and the pool area, which is where you come into. So anyway, talk to you in a minute. Okay, so that is going to finish off our video here. We have one more night here of camping. We are going to go to the parks like we said. They do offer shuttle services also. There's 3, I think I said this earlier, there are 3 to the park and 2 that come away from the park. You have to check inside the clubhouse. They will tell you when you can, or the hours or whatever that they do that. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a solid place to come camping. I don't know, what do you think?
I like it. I'd do it again.
I like it. I'd do it again too. I'm super looking forward to coming back in the fall and seeing how that is, because it's going to be a lot cooler.
Yes,
we are looking at a heat wave right now, so we are not looking forward to tonight too much.
Warnings.
Yeah. So anyway, that being said, if you guys want to keep up with any more of our theme park adventures, amenities, news, and things like that, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
Bell notification button.
that you guys don't miss any more of our theme park and just regular old adventures. So with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.